Hey, what's going on with y'all? RG over here at Armadillo Junction. Today, I decided I'm gonna do I was walking through the grocery store and decided, I saw a big old turkey breast laying there since Thanksgiving is next week. I decided I'd get that turkey breast and we're gonna throw it on the pit barrel cooker. Hadn't broke it out in a while. So I'll show you what I got going on here. Alright, we got your average big old turkey breast. And I'm gonna try hanging it. I've never hung one or cooked one in the pit barrel, so we're gonna see how that works out. I use the Tony Chacheres roasted garlic and herb injectables. It comes in a little kit. You can find it in most grocery stores here in the South anyway. Like I said, there's the big injector. Just put it in about every inch around it, right down the thick part, just fill it up. And for the topping, I found this in the pantry that I hadn't used yet, all-purpose pit rub. So we're going to try that from pit barrel, see how that tastes. It tastes pretty good out of the package. So let's get this thing on the pit and see what happens. Alright, let's get this turkey on here. Like I said, I've never hung one before, so we're going to find out how it goes. Alright, I got it on its lowest setting. Should run about 275. So we'll let it roll. Alright, we're going to baste this dude about every 30 minutes. Just a little butter. Alright, it's time to get this dude off. Got 265 on a thermometer. Gentle with it here so it don't fall in. Oh yeah. Alright, we got it back in the house. And we're going to just wrap it up with some tin foil, let it rest for 15 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Keep those juices inside. Alright, let's carve this dude up. And I'm not ashamed to tell you, I'm not a turkey guy, and I don't even know where to begin to carve this thing. I'm more of a red meat, brisket type. But how hard could it be? It's just a big chicken, ain't it? Oh yeah, look at the juice in it still. All right. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Still full of juice. That marinade works really good. The injection, good and juicy. All right, let's give it a taste test. As you can hear, Charlie Dog's over here wanting a taste test too. It seems to be good and tender with a knife. Let's let Charlie Dog have a bite. What do you think? Look pretty good? Want some more? Pretty good? Should I try it? Alright, I'll give it a try now. Alright, Red wants to give it a try first before I get in there. See what she thinks about it.
Juicy.
It ended up juicy, not dry. And you taste the butter injection.
That's pretty good.
Awesome. Let me get in there and get me a bite.
actually like it.
Yeah, that's pretty good flavor. All right, so I think we're gonna call that a big win. All right, so we're gonna call that a win on the pit barrel smoked turkey breast. First time ever doing it, and ended up both like it a lot. As you can see, Red's still over there chomping at the bit. I hope there's some left by the time I get this video made, but until next time, we'll see y'all down the road.